Welcome to another edition of the Financial Files. I'm Kerrie, and today we're talking about saving money for retirement. I don't know about you, but every time my alarm goes off in the morning, I say to myself, can I retire yet? Whether you're just starting out in the working world or have some years under your belt, it's never too late or early to start saving for retirement. So stick around and let's go over ways to make those golden years as bright as possible. The earlier you start saving, the better. It's easy to put retirement savings off, especially when your budget is tight. And hey, maybe you have a lot of time before you retire, but remember, retirement funds are meant to grow over time because the interest they earn compounds. So, getting in early can make a huge difference in how much you have to retire on. One of the easiest ways to save for retirement is contributing to a 401k or IRA, which has tax advantages. A 401k is an employer-sponsored retirement account. You have to opt in and select a percentage of your salary to contribute. Some employers will even match an employee's 401k contributions up to a certain percentage each year, so that's free money. And an IRA is an individual retirement account. There are different types, but these accounts are good if you are self-employed, don't have an employer with a 401k, or max out your 401k contributions, but want to save even more. A general rule is to save 15% of your yearly income in your 20s and 30s and 20% in your 40s and above. Heads up though, there are limits to how much you can contribute annually to these accounts and penalties for withdrawing money before retirement age. Okay. What if you can't imagine finding any money whatsoever to put aside for retirement each month? First of all, I get it, okay? If money were easy to come by, we'd all have yachts. And this is where a budget comes in handy. Take time and map out how much money you have coming in and going out. Go over your expenses and find those areas you are overspending in or things you can cut. After that, set aside an amount you can live without to put towards retirement. A budget will always help you find ways to reach other savings goals like buying a house or going on a dream vacation. If debt is getting in the way of saving for retirement, then getting those financial obligations taken care of ASAP is crucial. If you don't already have a plan in place, consider the debt snowball or debt avalanche method. The snowball is where you make the biggest payments you can afford on your debt with the lowest balance. Of course, you will still make your minimum payments on your other debt. And then once that debt is knocked off, then focus on the next lowest balance. The avalanche is similar, but you focus your efforts on the debt with the highest interest rate. The benefits being the sooner you get that cleared away, the more you save on interest payments. Once your debt is cleared, you can use that money you were paying to put towards retirement. Okay. We talked about 401ks and IRAs, but if you have more money you can invest, then consider individual stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and real estate investment trust. The world of personal investing is loaded with options and lots to know. What type of portfolio is best for you depends on your goals, your age, risk tolerance, and how much you have to invest. If you need help, consider a financial planner, investment advisor, or robo-advisors, which are digital platforms that make automatic investments based on the information you provide. Purchasing a home is one of the most significant financial decisions you can make. It can offer you stability and a nest egg for the future. The down payment gives you equity in the home, and as you make mortgage payments, your equity builds. Also, hopefully, your home value continues to go up, giving your investment more worth. Before buying a home, make sure the mortgage you get is right for you and something you can afford, because done right, a home purchase can be a great investment. You guys know I can't get out of here without talking about credit. Small or large financial missteps that impact your credit scores can cost you money by raising interest rates, so make sure to work on those credit scores. Also, fraud and identity theft can really get in the way of all your financial ambitions, so make sure you monitor your credit and keep your credit profile protected. Experian can help you monitor your credit and get your credit reports and help you raise your credit score, so keep that in mind. And that's retirement savings, my friends. If you aren't saving yet, it's never too late. Get on it. You'll be glad you did when you're chilling with all the other retired folk, enjoying your free time, and work is but a distant memory. With that, I'm retiring my video recording for the day. Thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe and follow, and I will see you next time right here on the Financial Files.